गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है बिनी और आप हैं मेरे चैनल पे। इट्स येट अनदर संडे एंड ऑल सेट फॉर आवर नेक्स्ट राइड। All right, all set. Wearing the Levi's denims today, and also I wanted to wear these boots. I really want to expose it to the riding conditions because I really want the leather. I want it to get softened. The bag is here. Helmet and my favorite, the Rhinox gloves. All right, so as you can see, 6:45 and it was drizzling last night. It's actually still drizzling, and I realized that I was carrying the whole bag for the rain lining. So the rain lining is going to fit here somewhere. My gloves, helmet, and all set to leave. Let's crank this up. Every single one is waiting at Discon. Also, a lot of details about the bike. The last ride also that I did, a lot of people were asking what are the mods that I've done. It's very stable, and well, let me give you a glimpse of it. Let's do this. So if you see the stance now, it's pretty upright. The travel is more, and it's a much better and stable ride now. All of that very soon. Filhal, let's crank this up. Let's do this. ISKCON चार रास्ता पे था मैं। What up? That is Anurag, everybody. And Abhijat.
ये लगा कि मॉर्निंग वॉक के लिए तुम लोग बुला रहे हो।
Oh, morning walk. All right, now every single one is here. Adi is finally here. Sharam kar thodi. Anurag, Abhijat is right there, and Manvendra is right there as well. हो गया introduction खत्म. ये माल था लास्ट वाला ये अंदर वाला रोड बहुत माल था. So now it's a beautiful ride. We are going to have a chai right here at the Tapri. We've parked our bikes right here. That's Manu, Adi, Anurag, and Abhijat is right there. So all we have to do is walk all the way right there. Bikes जाती हैं. It's going to be an off-road kind of thing, but वो करने का plan नहीं है अभी. I'm glad that I'm wearing these shoes because these boots are really strong. That is the trail that we have to do. But before that, some chai. So it has started drizzling now, but all done with the chai and all set to walk up to the waterfall. All set. So it was a very random plan. We actually decided last night at 10:30, 11ish that we are going to ride. What, where, how, we had absolutely no idea. Completely impromptu plan. I was at the store at Live Your Ride, and that's where we decided. We called all of them agreed, and now we are here at Janjari. But I'm glad we are at Janjari now. Instead of sitting at home and just seeing the rain from your balcony, I think it's much more fun to come. It's much more fun to come here and experience this. So yeah, super. Chikni mitti hai, and look at my boots right now. That's the fun of it. See, the reason I love Sundays because then you get to explore the world like nobody will, with all the biker friends coming and chilling and exploring the world that people don't usually go to. I love rains. I love riding in rains.
That, look at
That is real off-roading.
That side, yeah.
This is real off-roading. Look at that. So we walked from all the way up there, crossed all of it. From here, we're to go right there somewhere. Nice.
भाई मेरा घुटना
Awesome.
मेरे
Okay, this is going to be interesting. This is how you catch fish locally. Awesome. I can hear the sound of the waterfall. We are very close by. So what I'm going to show you right now, it's going to be beautiful, beautiful. And I want to do these revealing shots. So wait for this. This is absolutely worth it. Look at that. So the battery on my GoPro is dead. The reason I'm going to vlog it on my iPhone. But look at that, yeah. It's absolutely worth it. Absolutely worth it. How could we miss this? Yeah, look at that. This is beautiful, man. I'm so glad we did this. And when you have friends around, what else do you need? But the plan is to have some corn. Corn sounds idiotic. Maggie not joiti baka.
हाई कर दे बधाने हाई कर दे बधाने पहला हाँ नमस्ते करी दे चल
Cuteness, man. क्या छे तारी? हाँ अच्छा त्याग छे ने बस तो आइए चल. So we've called for some makai and Maggie. We're going to sit here for a while now, soak in all the energy, and that's the plan. All set, had a great time. Some Maggie, some makai, and all we have to do is now walk all the way from where we started. And बाकी जो दो हैं वो उधर है. Look at that. Oh, sorry, मम्मियाँ देखी होगी तो sorry. आंटी बहुत अच्छे लड़के हैं और बहुत ही अच्छे बच्चे हैं. Wow, look at this. What is a possibility of finding a pick, a guitar pick? You know, they say you attract your vibe. I just got a guitar pick. And what is the possibility of finding a guitar pick here in the forest? Think about it. Few more steps and we'll be very close to our bikes as well. Adi, Anurag, Abhijat and Mano right there. All of this makes life beautiful. Arre! Fashion Pro! made it eventually. And that absolutely proves that bikes are not important, the rider is. हम लोग जब गए थे यहाँ से तो लिटरली कोई भी भीड़ नहीं थी. अब भीड़ बढ़ रही है. We have a lot of people, camels, camel ride, and some more bhajiyas. I'm super excited for bhajiyas. Finally back where we started the walk from, the Kitli right here. We actually ordered some bhajiyas, so that is what we're going to have. Some chai and then off we go. So finally the GoPro is charged as well. All the bikes are parked here, all set to leave. जहाँ पे हमने चाय भी वहीं पे मैंने GoPro charge कर लिया. So it's about 50% now. I think it's gonna sustain for the rest of the ride as well. No plans at all. We are going to decide over a phone call when we are riding, and that's about it. फिलहाल ये है बाइक की हालत. So all set. All set. Adi is getting ready. Manu is almost ready. Anurag is back as well. And Abhijat is already out there waiting for every single one. Alright then. All set. Let's do this. So we've decided to take the canal road right now. ये रास्ता गंदा है. रुक जा वहीं पे रुक जाओ. क्यों? अगर पता नहीं है तो आगे निकलो मत. अरे अपने तो फुल निकल जाएंगे. और धीरे धीरे ही आना. निकल गया भाई लोग. Awesome. Fuck. What a great fucking. I'm not sure if all the bikes will come. आ जाओ. नीचे का जो पट्टा दिख रहा है, खाली पैर रखते आना. ऊपर पैर रखते रखते नीचे वाले पट्टे पे आ जाओ. Extreme off-roading happening right now. आंदो. रोको मत. आने दो. Awesome. आने दो. आंदो. Awesome, that is awesome. That's the halat of the shoes. There's a Duke coming, there's a GT 650 and also Interceptor 650. I'm not sure ये लोग निकल पाएंगे कि नहीं. And I'm just gonna wait for like few minutes and see if these guys are going to connect or not. And then you suddenly realize that this is the road that I ended up walking on this bike. This is exactly the reason I wanted to work on a scrambler build of the Interceptor 650. So fucking proud of this one. And look at that. What a brilliant way to just celebrate this one. Beautiful. Awesome, man.
It's turning out to be one of the bestest rides. Yeah, we did like some off-roading. Look at the shoes. But I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Adi, Anurag, and Manu, they didn't off-road and took the longer route. And this is where we're joining now. So finally at B2 car wash, where we are going to get our bikes washed and end the vlog right here. But that was a beautiful ride. But anyways guys, hope you liked the content. If you did, subscribe to the channel, and that's about it. See you later.